Hey everybody, welcome back. Tophat Smoke and Barbecue. It's been a little while since we made a video. So as you can see, what we got in front of us is a full brisket. It's about 12-pound brisket. What we're going to make is not going to be the typical brisket. We're making cheesy brisket potato medallion hors d'oeuvres. We're going to have little potatoes. We're going to put some brisket on it, melted cheese. And we're going to check this out. How we're going to do our brisket, I've already trimmed it up. You guys can go watch how we trim brisket on previous videos. What we're going to do tonight, about 8:30 in the night, we're going to put this on our gravity-fed Masterbuilt. We're going to have let it sit all night, 10, 12 hours, whenever we get up in the morning. Then it should be about 160, 65 in that area when we get up. We'll wrap it 5 or 6 more hours, then we'll take it out and let it rest for a couple hours, and then we'll show you what we do. What we're going to use today is this brisket rub, Smoke Trails Barbecue. It's really good stuff. This guy's like a brisket witch doctor. He's something else. So we're going to try his stuff here. Let's go ahead and put all this. We're going to put a nice liberal amount on there. This has got all kind of good stuff in it. We got the smoker already cooked up, ready to roll. Pop that in. Flip her over. That side, we trim it down a little bit, as you can see, just so we can get some good rub on there. Take it over to the smoker and we'll show you what we'll do in a minute. Alright, here we are. We're over here at the smoker. Set it on 200 degrees. We'll let it go all night. 12, 14 hours, whatever it takes. We got it on this top rack. We have a pan underneath to catch all the drippings. So this is where it's going to sit until the morning. So we'll show you what's going to happen in the morning. Alright, here we are. It's the next morning. It's a little bit after 9, so about 12 and a half hours we've been going on. So let's see what we got. I said about 150 to 160. We'll see. Wow, it looks great. All right, let's see what we got here. Yep, 152, 153. Yeah, perfect. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take it out. And we are going to wrap it. I'm going to put a little bit of apple juice on it, just to give it a little bit of help steaming. We're just going to wrap it in the pan. That way we can collect all our juices. All right. Put her back in. And we are going to bump the temperature up to 275. So we were at 200. We're going to go up to 275. All right. So that should 4, 5, 6 more hours, and we'll come out. We'll check it. If it's ready, we'll let it rest, and then we'll show you what else we're going to do. All right. We're back out here. It's been about 3 hours, and I temped it, and it's ready. So we'll bring her out, show you what we got here. Looking amazing. Thing slides in here like butter. No resistance at all. We are at 210, which is plenty hot. We're not looking for competition brisket. We actually want it to pull apart because that's what we're going to be putting on these hors d'oeuvres. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wrap it
Just put it back in this pan. We're going to put it in our Cambro, and we're going to leave it in Cambro a couple of hours. Might even be 3-4 hours. Who knows? We'll come back out, and we'll show you the next step. All right, we're back out here. We've been resting for 3 hours, so we're going to pull it out of the Cambro. I'm going to set it over here. All right, there we go. I'm going to take it over here to our cutting board. This is your flat. This is your point. I'm actually going to take some off of the point here because it falls apart easier. So we're going this way with our thing, so we want to cut it this way. That would be a burnt end if you were doing it, you know, cubing it up. You can make burnt ends. So what we'll do is we're going to cut a couple of these up like this. Yeah, it looks sure good. Let's take a taste test just to see what we got here. Taste that. That's a good brisket, but that's not what we're here for. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to shred this up a little bit. And we're going to make our little hors d'oeuvres, and we'll show you what that's all about. We do have some cheese melted on the grill over here. All right, we're going to go inside the garage. We're going to fry up our potatoes. All right, we're over here at a deep fryer. Instead of the round crowns, they're so small. We're doing hash browns, and then we'll cut them. So we're going to put them in a 375 deep fryer for about 3 minutes. And we'll show you how to put this all together. All right, here we are. So let's put together our little contraption here. So we want to put a little brisket on there like that. We take our little cheese that we've melted. You could use the jar cheese. It might actually be better. But this is what we're going with. Like that. A little bit more maybe. Okay. There's your cheesy brisket, fried potato, hors d'oeuvre. See what we got here. It's pretty good. So, get yourself a brisket. Get yourself some cheese and a little bit of hash brown or medallions or whatever you want. Have yourself a brisket cheesy hors d'oeuvre. Like and subscribe to the channel, please. It really would help. See you next time. Hey, hope you liked that video. It was a lot of fun to make. Hope you guys try it out. If you'd like to subscribe, click here. If you want to watch some more of our videos, click here. So Tophat Smoking Barbecue, we thank you.